I'm telling you some of pussy this, yeah? But I want to come off of my page and unfollow. See? Because remember I tell them I run down followers on my page and the realest thing that I go put on this. See? I not run down no fucking cloud. I not look nobody support. Y'all just listen to me. Uno, I'm telling you some of pussy wall when I run back a blood clot page and red. I better say if I did fucking mix up my posts and who are OBEAH blood clot who and who are chat who, but the whole I want to run with it. You don't see the bum buck? No. So if this thing I will use a platform and do highlight some of the fuck them we are going out there. You don't see the woman have her 6-month-old fucking baby and I stifle the baby to death because she find out say the man where she breed for carry him wife on a date. Saying, I'm going to post them things and I highlight. If someone could have blood clot reading that read the caption, me have my pitney them, you know. And any one of them mother do that, me a charge for blood clot murder. And any boy and any girl I road a problem. When I have some pussy clot idiot, eh? Sometimes the truth hurt. Sometimes the truth hard to look upon. Saying, but at the truth. Saying, and we have to highlight the truth. We have to highlight so she not kill the pitney one next time. Because the pitney barely fucking survive. Saying secret serve, child service and make police lock up our bumbo clot. We have to highlight some of them things there. When I talk about, yo, Octane, take it down, me a look clot, me pussy clot. I real, me real. Them thing I need for go out. When I have kids out there. I want to have nanny and them something there. People will fuck up on the pitney them. Saying, and them thing that me I tell you. Saying, yeah. So who not like it and who talk about the unfollow, suck on the mama unfollow. Because who not unfollow me for righteousness. Saying, why do you post a video with a woman that jump on me and me drop and bust my lip and ray and it go viral and I laugh over them fuckery there. And them important things there. Because it come across aggressive. You have to look upon it and know and get the fucking big picture about cloud. Because suck on the mama and come off of my page.